Now exercise 3.18 question number 11. If A equal to matrix A, B, C, D and unit matrix I equal to 1 0 0 1 2 by 2 matrix, show that A square minus A plus D into A, that is equal to BC minus AD into unit matrix I2. Okay. So consider left hand side and right hand side. So first left hand side. In left hand side, A squared minus A plus D into A. So A square. So we want to find A squared, A into A. What is A into A? So multiply A matrix with A matrix. So A into A, B, C, D. So multiply A into A in first row, first column. A into A square plus B into C, BC. Now first row, second column, A into B, AB plus B into D, BD. C, second row, first column, C into A, AC plus D into C, CD. Now second row, second column, C into B, BC plus D into D, D square. So ஆர்டரா இருக்கணுங்கிறதுக்காக BC and AC ரைட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். So this is a A square. Now A squared minus A plus D into A. So A plus D into A. A plus D into A. So A plus D, consider that is a one scalar like 2A or 4A or minus 7A like that. So A plus D into A equal to A plus D into, write the A matrix A, B, C, D. In scalar matrix we multiply, for example 2A. So 2 is a scalar here. So 2 is multiple with all the A entries. 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D. The same as A plus D into A. A plus D into A. That means A squared plus AD. A plus D into B. That means AB plus BD. Close it. A plus D into C. AC plus D into C, CD. A plus D into D, AD plus D square. This is the A plus D into A. Now A squared minus A plus D into A. That is equal to, what is A square? A square plus BC, AB plus BD, AC plus CD, BC plus D square minus A plus D into A. What is A plus D into A? A square plus AD, AB plus BD, AC plus CD and AD plus D square. So here the subtract. So subtract the matrix multiplication. So order, both the matrices have the same order. So here the corresponding subtract correspondingly to the entries A squared plus BC minus A squared plus AD. So listen, A squared plus BC minus A squared plus AD. Then second entry space AB plus BD minus AB plus BD. Close the matrix bracket. Now the first entry AC plus CD corresponding AC plus CD. So AC plus CD minus AC plus CD. Second entry BC plus D square. subtract correspondingly AD plus D square. Now A square plus BC, so multiple minus with the both entries, so minus A square minus AD. Here AB plus BD minus AB minus BD, sorry, AC plus CD minus AC, so multiply with the minus A into plus AC minus AC minus into plus minus CD. Here BC plus D square, so minus into AD minus AD, so minus into plus D square minus D square. Now we want to cancel A square plus A square minus A square cancelled. So what is the remaining? BC minus AD plus AB minus AB cancelled out, plus BD minus BD cancelled. So that is a 0. Here AC plus AC minus AC, so cancelled plus AC minus AC. So subtract AC minus AC 0, CD minus CD 0. Here BC plus D square minus D square cancelled out. So BC minus AD, BC minus AD, that is equal to, when we remove the BC minus AD from the matrix 1 0 0 1, that is equal to BC minus AD into I2. Here the question is BC minus AD into I2. So finally we get BC minus AD into I2. Hence proved. Now we are going to see exercise 3.18 question number 12. The question is, if A equal to 5 matrix 5 2 9 1 2 3, 2 by 3 matrix, so 2 row 3 column, 2 row 3 column. So now matrix B 1 7 1 2 5 minus 1, so 3 row 2 column, 3 row 2 column. Verify that AB whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. It is a 5-mark question. Okay, now we have to verify AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. So consider there is a left hand side and right hand side, both the equal. We want to prove both the equal. Okay, first left hand side. In left hand side, AB into whole transpose. So first we want to multiply A into B. So write A into B. So write the first matrix A 5 2 9 1 2 8. Now B 1 7 1 2 5 minus 1. Students, we know that order of A and B. So order of A is 2 by 3 and order of B is 3 by 2. It is possible to product and the answer we get 2 by 2 matrix. Now do the procedure, matrix multiplication. First row multiple with the first column. So 5 into 1. So in first row, first column, first entry 5 into 1 5. Second entry 2 into second column, second entry 1, 2 into 1 2. So add. Then first row third entry multiple with the first column third entry 9 into 5. 9 5s are 45 plus 45. So all the numbers are positive. So 5 plus 2 plus 45. Now first row multiple with the second column 5 into 7. 5 7s are 35 plus 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 9 into minus 1 minus 9. So close the matrix bracket. Now first row first column 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 5 8s are 40. Now second row multiple with the second column. Second row first entry 1, second column first entry 7. 1 into 7 7. 2 into 2 4 plus 4. 8 into minus 1 minus 8. Now solve this. 5 plus 2 7 plus 45. 45 plus 7 52. 35 plus 4 39. 39 minus 9 30. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 40 43. 7 plus 4 11. 11 minus 8 3. So this is the multiplication of A and B. Now AB whole transpose. So AB whole transpose. So transpose this AB matrix. So we get 52 43 33. Consider that is a first equation. Now right hand side. So we have to find the right hand side. B transpose into A transpose. So B transpose. First you write the B transpose. What is the matrix B? 1 7 1 2 5 minus 1. This is the B. Sorry, it is a B. Now the B transpose is 1 1 5 7 2 minus 1. So B transpose. Here the A equal to, write the A matrix 5 2 9 1 2 8. Now A transpose. Transpose rows into a column, columns into a row. So 5 1 2 2 9 8. It is A transpose. Now product of B transpose into A transpose. So write B transpose first. 1 1 5 7 2 minus 1 and A transpose 5 1 2 2 9 8. So in first row multiply with the first column 1 into 5 1 into 5 5 1 into 2 plus 2 5 into 9 plus 45. Now first row multiply with the second column 1 into 1 1 1 into 2 plus 2 5 into 8 plus 5 8s are 40. Second row first column 7 into 5 35. 2 2s are plus 4 minus 1 into 9 minus 9. 7 into 1 7. 2 into 2 plus 4 minus 1 into 8 minus 8. Now solve this. 5 plus 2 7 plus 45 52. 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 40 43. 35 plus 4 39. 39 minus 9 30. 7 plus 4 11. 11 minus 3 3. So B transpose into A transpose equal to 52 43 33. Now listen. AB whole transpose equal to 50 matrix 52 43 33. Also B transpose into A transpose equal to 52 43 33. So both the sides, consider that is a second equation. From equation 1 and 2 we verified that A B whole transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Now exercise 3.18 question number 13. If A equal to matrix 3 1 minus 1 2, show that A squared minus 5A plus 7I2 equal to 0. It's a null matrix. I2 mean unit matrix. So 2 by 2 order unit matrix. 1 0 0 1. So 0 matrix 0 0 0 0. Okay. Now show that A square minus 5A plus 7I2 equal to 0. First we have to find the A square. So A square nothing but A into A. So the product of matrix A into A, 3 minus 1, sorry 3 plus 1 minus 1 2, multiple with 3 plus 1 minus 1 into 2. Now we know the matrix multiplication. First row first column, multiple with first row first column, 3 into 3 9, 1 into 1 minus 1, 3 into 1 3, 1 into 2 plus 2. Now minus 1 into 3 minus 3, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 2 2s are 4 equal to 9 minus 1 8, 3 plus 2 5, minus 2 sorry minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 minus 1 plus 4 plus 3. Now 5A. So 5 is a scalar. 5 multiple with the A matrix. Write the A matrix 3 1 minus 1 2. 5 multiple with all the entries. So we get 5 3s are 15. 5 into 1 5. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 5 into 2 10. 5 2s are 10. Now 7 into I2. So 7 into I2 unit matrix 1 0 0 1. So I2 means 2 by 2 order. Suppose they asking 3, we able to write unit matrix as a order 3 by 3. Okay. 7 into 1 7 0 0 7 into 1 7. Now solve A squared minus 5A plus 7I2 equal to 8 5 minus 5 3 minus 5A, 15 5 minus 5 plus 10 plus 7 0 0 7, that is equal to, so 8 minus 15. So 8 minus 15. Now 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus of minus 5 plus 5. So 3 minus 10. 3 minus 10 plus 7 0 0 7. Okay. 15 minus 8. So 15 minus 8 7. Here the minus 7. 5 minus 5 0. Minus 5 plus 5 0. 3 minus 10 minus 7. Matrix add with 7 0 0 7. Now minus 7 plus 7 minus 7 plus 7 0. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0 0. Minus 7 plus 7 also 0. So that is equal to null matrix. So hence proved. So students, A equal to 3 1 minus 2. We showed A square minus A plus 7 I2 equal to null matrix.